Our chosen website is Yale School of Arts. You might expect Yale's website to have a high level of style or design in their websites, since they are a top university. However, we will mention why that's not the case for this website. For starters, text size. There are a lot of information on the page, which makes it appear clustered. An unorganized layout appears on the homepage with large, medium, and small text. The inconsistent font size and chaotic layout makes it difficult for users to navigate and find the information they need. To improve the user's experience, a more structured and organized design should be implemented. Repeated background. Each page of the website has a unique GIF. It distracts the users from the information that needs to be shared. Preferably, a simple background color would be better. Non-consistent color scheme. There isn't a set theme in each page. It's not necessary to have 6 different colored boxes that they added on the About the School page.
The website had a strange layout. On the page, there were different size boxes, which makes the pages unorganized and hard to read. As you can see on the right side, there's 3 different boxes, kind of small font, and on the left side, there's very small font with a bunch of random pictures on the right. It makes it kind of, your eyes shift really quickly. It's also really hard to find key information. There's a difficult task in finding the key information in all the pages, with the animations playing in the background and the different word boxes, which makes the user miss the information listed. There's also too much information, also known as information overload. The left side of the home page has too much stuff crammed into it, with lots of links in different sections like navigation and event listings. This makes it hard for users to focus or figure out what's important because there's just too much going on in one place. As you can see, everything's on the left side. It's kind of hard to even pay attention, like I said, to all of the information that's on the page.
On the mobile site, while the text fills up the full screen, much of the design is too small to read without straining. In addition, the navigation text at the top, where the white box with the 3 lines is, has tiny text, making it nearly impossible to click the link you want. For users, this is frustrating because the site isn't accessible on their phone, which is the easiest computer for them to bring around. There's inconsistency when pausing animations. Sometimes an animation will reset to where it starts, and other times the background will disappear. On backgrounds without animation, they strangely flash when the button is pressed. For users, this comes off as unprofessional and half-done. Throughout the web page, several section headers are partially highlighted. For the user, this again creates a sense of unprofessionalism, as the main centered piece of interpretation is done poorly. In addition, the contrast between black text and background color is poor, causing issues with visually impaired people who view the site. Most notably on the home page with calendar and quick widgets drop down, the CSS for how containers display is set up poorly, causing boxes to expand and text to be pushed further down when elements should instead display on top of other items. For users, this creates confusion and frustration when trying to read other portions of text.